Hi brewers, going to be brewing another beer tomorrow morning, starting probably 7 AM. Here's a picture of the recipe now. Yeah, so we're just filling the system up. You can see we put in about 22 litres. The markings at the back, they're not as prominent as they should have been. My fault. I cleaned them too harshly and scrubbed some of the etchings off. My issue. So yeah, just topping it up. Got everything ready. All the grains are in there. So yeah, racked the beer this morning. The left hand fermenting vessel's empty. There's a portly golden ale there, showing that no mercy. Only got a bit of it left. In fact, the keg might even kick tonight, so who knows. That one there with the marigolds on, that's got Bohemian lager in. Hopefully that'll come out okay. The last few days I can heat in here, but I haven't got cooling facilities, so you can see it's should be at 12, it's at 18, so if everything goes okay, I'm going to rack that tomorrow. It's still had a bit of an issue that starting off fermenting. Didn't start fermenting until 5 days, so I underpitched a little bit, but it's still actually bubbling a little bit now. So there you go. See a little bubble there. Yeah. So 12 days later, it's still doing a bit of fermenting. So there we are. Right, I'll stop wobbling. Oh, what am I up to? Right, I'll turn this off now. Oh. Right, I'll do my wort additions, and when it rolls over, I'll be back in the morning and we'll start brewing. Cheers. Hi brewers, back again. All mashed in. 20-minute mash rest a day or two, and there we are. Literally just started about a minute ago. Yeah, not much else to report. Dough in went fine. Managed to remember to put my salts in today. And a little shout out to a gentleman called Stuart Prince. Apparently I've made him spend quite a lot of money on a B80 setup, so good luck with that, Stuart. I hope it goes well. Once you get that dreaded first brew day out the way, you'll be fine. Anyway, just talking about that, these are the lever setups you might be interested in. That's how I have it for the mash. I think I read you're having a 4-valve setup. Good luck with that. I struggle with this. There you go. You'll soon get used to it. But yeah, here we go. Smash at 65, so it's just dropping a tiny bit. So yeah, I'll check back on a bit further along in the process. Cheers. Hi brewers, only me back again. Yeah, just thought I'd report a couple of little things in. See the wort's clearing up very nicely. It doesn't normally do this on this phase. It's actually spinning round, you know, a bit of a almost whirlpool action going on. There we are. It's going about 40%. The levels are pretty much the best they've been since I've had this kit. So yeah, basically what I did was when I was on the mash rest, I basically put the pump on about 30%, I think it was, and I basically had, excuse the crap film, I had that lever there, probably, if I was doing it on an hour, probably just past the half-hour mark, probably 32-33 minutes past the hour, if you understand that, and it circulated in the kettle there, and then I've come out and gone through my normal phases, and the levels are probably only an inch apart, so yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Little tip there for anyone who's interested. Okay, check back later guys, cheers. Hang on before it cut, just a quick one before it cuts out. That's the wort right at the end of the, oh, it's the message come up there now telling me the sparge is finished, not sparge, the mash out's finished. Just wanted to show you how lovely and clear the wort is. Very happy with that. Right, see you in a bit. Brewers back again. Just gonna ramping it up to the boil. just sparged, probably about half a litre too much I think. It's hard to judge sometimes. Recipe was 31.6 litres. I think I've got about 32 in there. Just giving it a bit of a whirlpool, just to amalgamate everything. Then I'll take the oh, hang on a minute. I'll take the pre-boil gravity and see how that's shaping up. Another minute or two. So yeah, things are going okay. Very smooth actually. There's the grains in the basket there. So local gentleman comes to pick them up. Usually leaves me half a dozen eggs. Right, good deal, because the eggs are fantastic. So otherwise that lot will be going in the composter. So there we are. I'll get back to you after the boil. Cheers. Hi brewers, back again. Just on the hop stand. That's a little bit dusty. Sorry about that. It's yeah, just started it a minute or two ago. 20-minute hop stand. Just chucked the Whirlpool hops in, and you can see it's spinning around quite nicely. Quite a fierce boil. And what I seem to do with the temp, it seems to be boiling hard. Had it mainly about 70%, so just something to look out for next time. So there we are. Yeah, I'll do another video when I've got it in the fermenter and maybe show a bit about the cleanup. Okay, cheers. Hi brewers, back again. Just pumping into the, not pumping, pumps on, but it's barely cracked there. Wort's down to turn temps 18, so I'm just tickling it in nice and steady. I'll probably have to stop and clean that filter out. There's a lot of trub stuff in this one, so yeah, I'll be stopping it in a minute. Just don't want it overflowing. So yeah, I'll do another vid on the cleanup. Cheers. Hi brewers, back again. Just about to start the cleanup. Nice big trub cone there. A little bit minging, but we'll have it sorted in half hour or so. Well, probably 3/4 an hour. So yeah, that's kind of all she wrote today. Got about 24 and a half litres in the fermenter. I probably could have squeezed another litre out of that. As you can see, probably about 4 litres left in there, but it's getting a bit grainy and bitty, so I'm not that greedy. So yeah, that's it for today. So I'll be probably brewing middle of next week. We're in the lockdown, so what else can we do? So there we are, guys and girls, brewers. All the best to everyone. Stay safe. See you on the next one.